Hey guys, are you looking for a quick warm-up to do before your dance lessons? Then you're in the right place because today I'm going to be guiding you in a follow-along video that I just did to get warm before doing my bar class. So in saying that, just get your shoes and let's get to it. Let's begin sideways to the bar, hands to the bar, releve, and we are going to do 7 demi-points alternating. 3, 4, 5, 6, one more, 7, releve balance. We are going to do demi-plie, roll through and stretch, small balance. Repeat one more time. Demi-plie, roll through and stretch and down. We are going to do demi-plie, pressing arch and change to the left. 2 more. Next, we are going to open first position, attitude forward, to the side, to the back and forward. Repeat one more time. Battement tendu to the side, and we are going to do coup de pied with demi-plie and open, stretch one more time. Demi-plie, we are going to do port de bras to the bar. Stretch, first position, port de bras away from the bar. Take your time, recover up, parallel position, breathe and port de bras forward. Demi-plie and a stretch. One more time. Demi-plie and a stretch, recover up, and we are going to do port de bras to the back. Recover up and change to repeat everything to the left side. Parallel position, left. Releve, demi-point 1 and 2, 3, 4. 7, releve, demi-plie and roll through. Stretch really tall, small balance. Repeat. Don't forget to breathe. Balance and down and press arch 1 and press 2. 2 more. Open first position, attitude and 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more time. Battement tendu to the side. Coup de pied plie, open and stretch. One more time. Demi-plie and a stretch to the side, inside to the bar. Recover up, first position, all the way from the bar. Recover up, parallel position. We are going to breathe. Port de bras forward. One more demi-plie and stretch, recover up, and don't forget to breathe on the way back down. Facing the bar, attitude with right leg. We are going to breathe and go towards your leg. And just stay there, breathe, stretch, and recover up. Now we are going to twist torso and we are going down towards our knee. However, we will try to keep our hips straight facing forward. Don't forget to breathe, recover up, and we are going to change attitude to the back. and you start to feel your hips really open in here. You can add a demi-plie to increase a stretch. Now we are going to press knee to the chest, open to the side. Feel your hip flexors opening, down, and we repeat everything with left leg. Breathe, and down. Recover up. We are going towards the knee. Feel that gentle twist of your back while your hips are staying forward. Recover up, change the attitude to the back. Remember, proud chest, open chest, demi-plie to increase stretch. Release leg, knee to the chest, open to the side. And release down. For more videos like this ones, I would recommend you to click right here, check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. In saying that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.